Hello everyone, today we will talk about the African parrot and the Amazon parrot are two distinct species of parrots that originate from different regions of the world. Here are some key differences between the two. Geographical distribution. African parrot. African parrots, including the African Grey Parrot, are native to various regions of Africa, such as the rainforests and savannas. Amazon parrot. Amazon parrots, on the other hand, are found in the New World, predominantly in Central and South America, including the Amazon rainforest. Physical appearance. African parrot. African parrots, like the African Grey Parrot, are known for their grey feathers, red tails, and distinctive white masks around their eyes. Amazon parrot. Amazon parrots display a wide range of colors depending on the species, with vibrant greens, blues, yellows, and reds being common. They often have patches of color on their heads and wings. Species variety. African parrot. The term African parrot is a broad classification that includes various species, such as the African Grey Parrot, Senegal Parrot, and Meyer's parrot, each with its own unique characteristics. Amazon parrot. Similarly, the term Amazon parrot encompasses multiple species like the yellow-headed Amazon, blue-fronted Amazon, and orange-winged Amazon, each with distinct coloration and markings. Vocal abilities. African parrot. African grey parrots are renowned for their exceptional mimicking and talking abilities. They can mimic human speech with remarkable clarity. Amazon parrot. Amazon parrots are also known for their vocal talents. They can imitate various sounds, including speech, but their ability might not match the precision of African grey parrots. Behavioral traits. African parrot. African parrots, particularly African grey parrots, are known for their intelligence and problem-solving skills. They can form strong bonds with their owners. Amazon parrot. Amazon parrots are often characterized by their lively and social nature. They enjoy interaction and can be playful and affectionate. Size. African parrot. African grey parrots are medium to large-sized parrots, with an average length of around 12 to 14 inches, 30 to 36 centimeters. Amazon parrot. The size of Amazon parrots varies among species, but they generally fall within the medium to large size range, with lengths ranging from 10 to 20 inches, 25 to 50 centimeters, depending on the species. Understanding these differences is crucial for proper care and interaction with these unique and intelligent pet birds. Today's video has ended, my friends. Please subscribe to the channel and activate the bell